Hello guys, it's your boy X Crisis coming with another video, and this is an update on one of my older mods, the high-res texture pack for prototype. I used to get a lot of comments that one of the fixes that mod included, that was the 8 core limit for the game. Since this game is kind of broken from launch, any CPU with more than 8 cores is just gonna crash the game automatically when you start a new save file. I used to have a file just installed on it that it will literally just put an affinity on the app so it doesn't use more than 8 cores, but that fix wasn't working for everybody. So I came up with another fix and I just updated it. It's on the page right now. If you want, it's going to be on the video description. And I just technically just changed it. Before it was just a shortcut of the texture mod texture pack, and that what it was gonna allow is to like the text mod to be limited by the CPU cores, so when the game launched it will work perfectly fine. The thing is, you needed that exact position, or should I say place, to have the folder, and you need to do another shenanigans. So in this way, you don't have to set up anything. You're just gonna click it. It's gonna be fine. And I also added some improvements. Prototype is uh, anonymous with bad performance, mostly caused by the HID combined consumer control device. I think those are necessary for the PC to like function for some stuff. So in the case for playing the game, it's better if you just deactivate them. After you deactivate them, you can play with a lot of FPS, and when you just quit, you have to restart it back and enable them. So, what I just did was create a batch file. It's gonna be named the same as the old shortcut. It's gonna be the more than 8 cores bat. Let me show you real quick. It's gonna be this one. Here's the text mod, and here's gonna be the text mod with the more than 8 cores. If, how I programmed it is that if you just double click, it will just gonna open the text mod with a limit. So you're just gonna go, select your game, and select all the packs, and just run it. After that, it's gonna be limited by only 8 cores, so you're never gonna have a crash incident or anything. But here's the funny part. In the case that you wanted to deactivate those HIV, like the thing I was talking about earlier, the HID combined consumer control device, um, that file, all that, well, that batch file also does that, like automatically. In the case of that, you're just gonna, let me show you real quick. Here's the list. These are the ones that tank the performance of prototype. So in the case, you're just gonna right click and run as an administrator. When you do that, when you run the game as administrator, it'll automatically, sometimes, not always, because that's something I haven't fixed yet. In the case that you don't see like it deactivated, you just close it again and run it again, and there you go. It's kind of buggy for the time being. I'll try to fix the code if I can, so it doesn't like lag out. But in the case that it doesn't deactivate automatically, then you're just gonna restart it and do it again. Do the same process, put the game, put the packs in. So I already have them over here. Obviously, if you're gonna like search and you're gonna go to browser and you're gonna go to the file, or you can just select them all and do it like that way, way faster. And this is the order I usually used it. So yeah, let's run the game to see how it goes. After that, the game's gonna just launch normally, and see on the top, I have 165 because I have a 165 FPS monitor. In your case, it's gonna be limited to the amount of a refresh rate your monitor supports. So you're just gonna enter normally to any to match you want, and there you go. It's not gonna crash or anything. It will have a good performance. So that's it. And when you just quit to desktop, do it again. Close the prototype text mod. Just press on the square, press any button. You don't have to press anything in particular. And there you go. Enables them again. So that eliminates the hassle of just having to go to the device manager, deactivate them all, then go to the game again. So there, that's it. When I can fix the bug that doesn't like deactivate them, I'll do another update. But for now, that's how it is. And obviously, if you don't want to like do anything with this and you're just gonna run the game normally, which I don't recommend because the performance is quite awful. It's gonna be like 30 FPS I think without the fix. But if you just want to do that for any reason, you just double click normally. Like if you double click, it's never gonna deactivate them. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.